EMT Conduit, now available with EAE Assurance. Are your electrical cables getting damaged or running in disarray? EMT Conduits keep your cables protected, organised and safely routed. EAE EMT Conduits are available in a wide range of sizes from 1/2 inch up to 4 inch, making them suitable for everything from small businesses to large industrial facilities. Among our EMT conduit accessories, you will find 90-degree and 45-degree elbow modules, as well as side cover elbow modules. Thanks to its openable design, the side cover elbow allows easy access during cable pulling and prevents jamming. With the coupling socket, you can join two EMT conduits quickly and effortlessly. Single-hole and two-hole fastening clips make wall and ceiling installations easy, while the hanger clip offers a practical structure for fast overhead mounting. Using the flexible conduit connector is simple. Just loosen the nut, insert the flexible conduit, and tighten it in place. The EMT conduit is fixed just as easily. Slide it into position and secure it with the bolt. EMT conduits have a bendable structure and can be shaped on site with the appropriate tools. Our PVC bushing protects the cables at cut conduit ends, preventing potential damage from sharp edges. With EMT conduit applications, you achieve safe and orderly cable routing, from cable trays all the way to machine feeds. There are also applications where lines branching out from Busbar systems are safely carried through EMT conduits. For more details, don't forget to discover EAE Solutions.